Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogecoin. Top cryptocurrency prices today. Bitcoin, BNB, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu gain up to 4%. Despite the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, investors lapped up some of the digital tokens at lower levels, while largely staying off the higher-risk assets. Investors are worried about rising energy prices that have already increased significantly over the last few months, and wider inflationary pressures across the globe. Barring the US dollar peg tether, all of the top digital tokens were trading higher on Tuesday. BNB in areas of higher lows, and has also beaten a local high at 84 cents in the same time period. The RSI was at 61 to show strong bullish momentum, while the OBV has also been steadily climbing. Zcash has performed very well in the market in the month of March as it climbed from the $110 lows to beat the long-term supply zone at $145. At the time of writing, it was trading at $178.7 and rising quickly. In the near term, the $175 area and the $168 area, cyan boxes, can be expected to act as regions of demand for ZEC. To the upside, strong resistance lies in the $190-$200 zone, with $191 a level to pay attention to. The Awesome Oscillator and the MACD retreated in recent hours after a strong bullish advance, which indicated the leg downward was only a retracement before a higher high. Dogecoin, Doge, the $0.1250 area, red box, has acted as a zone of supply in the past 3 weeks. At the time of writing, the bulls had driven prices up to this zone, in an attempt to break past the sell orders in this area. Even though the RSI stood at 67 to denote strong bullish momentum, and the super trend indicator gave a buy signal, a bullish outlook for Doge in the short term needs to be tempered with caution. The OBV has been unable to break above the local highs, even though it is testing them on the price charts. This suggested that the rally might be losing buying pressure. Top currencies. Last week, the latest US inflation numbers showed consumer price inflation rocketed to a 4-decade high, as rent, fuel and food costs climbed even before Russia's invasion of Ukraine triggered a sharp rise in energy prices. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is set to hike interest rates for the first time since the coronavirus pandemic sent the global economy into meltdown, in an attempt to curb soaring inflation. Markets expect the Fed will follow through on plans to increase interest rates, but how far and how fast is now very much in doubt, Danny Hewson, a financial analyst of brokerage AJ Bell, said in an emailed note. Once again, external factors are in the driving seat, and there are big questions about how effective rate rises will be at cooling those hot prices. Dogecoin hinted at a possible lack of demand in the rally of the previous day. Polkadot, Polkadot formed an ascending channel pattern, white, on the charts. The pattern had some validity as the price has consistently bounced between the upper and lower boundaries, while also respecting the midpoint of the channel, dotted white, as support resistance along the way. The indicators showed heavy buying volume on the volume indicator in recent trading sessions, and a pump upward in price. The RSI reached overbought territory above 70 and fell slightly, while the stochastic RSI also formed a bearish crossover. A retest of the $19 area could be a buying opportunity. XRP climbed past the midpoint of a descending channel that it has been trading within since mid-August last year. This was a significant development, especially when compared with its uptrend in the past week. The price has registered a series of higher lows, and has also beaten a local high at 84 cents. 745 however, there are now signs of reversal since ADA seems to have flipped a resistance trendline to support and is currently backtesting it. This test is in confluence with a double bottom, and if played out, could see ADA rally to resistance at $1.13 in the coming weeks. Continued bullish momentum could bring targets of $1.37 within reach. ADA is a fundamentally sound crypto, and many would agree that current levels, despite the deep retracement and loss of supports, are good levels to buy for the mid to long term. Key levels. Support. 79 cents, 74 cents resistance. $1.13, $1.37. Well, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you, the forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to